Good morning, students. Today we are going to see indication and contraindication of Virechan Karma, that is Yogya and Ayogya individual or person for Virechan Karma. So whenever we are going to post or advise a person for any of the Panchkarma, we should examine him that he is fit for that karma or not. So the person who is fit for any particular karma, he is Yogya for that karma. If we will consider for Virechan karma, then person who is Yogya for Virechan karma is called as Virechya. Like we have seen in Vaman, Vamya and Avamya. Here we will see the person who is not fit for or Ayogya for Virechan karma, he is a Virechya. So as in previous lecture, we have seen the conditions in which Virechan is based, like Virechanam Pitharanam Shreshtam, like that Pittam tu Virekam Sleshma Sanshrushte Vatasthana Gate Va Sleshmani iti Virekam. That means Virechan is Shrest, that is based for Pitta dosha, and also in according to Acharya Vagbhat, he has said that whenever Pitta is associated with Kapha dosha or Kapha dosha which is situated in Pitta sthana, in such condition Virechan is very useful or advisable. Then Sarira Janam Doshanam Kramena Paramaushadam Basti Vireko Vamanam Tatha Tailam Brutam Madhu. In Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana, Acharya Vagbhat has said Virechan is souvenir procedure for elimination of Pitta dosha. Then also we have discussed the Karya Kshetra of Virechan, that for dosha, as in previous slide we have seen, Virechan is most effective in eliminating the aggravated Pitta dosha. Not only Pitta dosha, but also Kapha and Vata dosha, Virechan is very effective. In Bela Samhita, in Sannipata condition where vitiation of all three doshas are there, in such condition also Virechan is very advisable. Then Dushyas, Acharya Charak has illustrated that Shodhan is very effective on Rakta Dushti, Mamsa Dushti, Asthi Dushti, Majja and Shukra Dushti. Then Srotas, so Virechan is said based for Rasava Srotas, Raktava Srotas, Mamsava Srotas, Asthi, Majja and Shukrava Srotas. These all we have discussed in first lecture, that is etymology and definition of Virechan Karma along with importance of Virechan Karma. In Agni, Pitta is closely related with Agni. So to improvise Agni, we should advise Virechan Karma. Then in Ama condition, whenever we are doing Chikitsa of Samadosha, Samadusha, in Ashtang Sangra, they have said Virechan is line of treatment. Then in Yoga Shataka also, Shodhana has been mentioned as one of treatment for Amadosha. So Virechan is Yogya for Utklishta Pitta, Kapha Sanshrushta Pitta, Pitta Sthanagata Alpa Kapha, Kapha Sthanagata Bahu Pitta. That means whenever Pitta in Kapha Sthana, at that time we should advise Virechan Karma. Then Pakvashayagata Pitta or Kapha Pitta, that means Kapha and Pitta both, whenever they are in Pakvashay. Then Pitta Avrut Vata, Kapha Avrut Vata. Also, Acharya Charak has advised that whenever Tiryak Gata Dosha In such condition, to expel such doshas from the body, we should bring them to the koshtha. And for such condition, especially we are seeing in kushta patient that doshas are tiryagata from shakha to from kosh to shakha. So to bring such doshas from shakha to koshta, we are giving vamana and virechana treatment. In such some extent, Vaman is very exhausting and tiredful treatment. So in such patient, we are advising Virechan Karma. So Dushyas, as we previously see, Rasa, Rakta, etc. Vikaras, etc. Dushya Vikaras, Virechan is described. Then also we know in Rasayan and Vajikaran Chikitsa, as Purva Karma of Rasayan and Vajikaran, Virechan is advised. Then Virechan is indicated in disorders like Gulma, Vatadikya, Kamla Paitika, Gara Unmada Kushta Tridosaj. So it is cleared and specified that Virechan is effective in various conditions of three doshas. Also, to maintain Samadosha, Samagnischa, Samadhatu, and Malakriya of Swastha person, Shodhana Chikitsa is advised in healthy person also. So these are the conditions for Virechan Yogya according to Acharya Charak in Siddhisthana, second chapter. Sheshyastu Virecyaha Visheshatastu Kushta Jwara Meho Urdhva Raktapitta Bhagandara Udara Arsho Badna Pliha Gulma Arbuda Galaganda Granthi Vishujika Alasaka Mutragata Krimi Kosta Visarpa Pandu Roga Shira Parshvashulo Udavarta Netrasya Daha हृदरोग व्यंग नीलिका नेत्र नासिकास्य स्त्रवणम हलिमक श्वासकाश कामला अपच्य अपस्मार उन्माद वातरक्त योनि रेतोदोष तैमीर्य अरोचक अविपाक छर्दी शवतु उदर विस्फोटक आदय पित्त व्याधयो विशेषण महारोग्य अध्यायो ताश्च एतेषु हि विरेचनं प्रधानम् इत्युक्त मग्न उपशमे अग्नि बृहवत्. So like that in Sushrut Chikitsa, Gateshu dosheshu kaphanviteshu nabhya lagu manasascha stusto gate anile chanuloma bhavam samyak viriktam manuja vyavasyate mandagnim क्षीणम सद्विरिक्तम न पाययेताहनि तत्र पेयाम क्षीणम तृषार्थ सुविरेचनम च तन्वीं सुखोष्णाम लघु पाययेश्च बुद्धे प्रसादम बलम इंद्रियाणाम धातु स्थिरत्वम बलम अग्निदीप्तिश्च चीरा च पाकम वयसः करोतिम विरेचनम सम्यक उपास्यमानं यथा उदकानां उदके अपनीते चरस्थिराणां भवति प्रणाशः पित्ते हृते त्वेवम् उपद्रवाणां पित्तात्मकानां भवति प्रणाशः अतः पित्ता अभिपरीत देहान विरेचयेत्तानपि मंदं मंदं विरेचने यान्ति नरा विनाश अग्न्यं प्रयुक्तैर्विरेचनायाः विरेच्यास्तु ज्वर गरा अरुच्य अर्शो अर्बुदर ग्रंथि विद्रदि पांडुरोगा अपस्मारा हृदरोग वातरक्त भगंदर छर्दी योनिरोग विसर्पम गुल्म पक्वाशय ऋग्विबंध विसूचिका अलसक गोमूत्राघात कूठ विस्फोटक प्रमेहानः प्लीह शोफ वृद्ध शस्त्र क्षत क्षाराग्नि दग्ध दग्ध दुष्टवृण अक्षिपाक काच तिमिर अभिषंद क्षीर कर्ण अक्षिनाशास्य गुदमेड्र दाह ऊर्ध्व रक्तपित्त कृमि कोष्ठीन पित्तस्थान ज्येष्वन्येषु च विकारेष्वन्ये च पैतिक व्याधि परिता इति. So in last slok, 32 slok of Sarat Susrut Chikitsa, the indication is explained in 27 shloka, and 27th shloka importance of Virechan is explained. In Ashtang Sangra, Ashtang Hruday Sutrasthan 18th chapter, विरेक साध्या गुल्म अर्श विस्फोट व्यंग कामलाः जीर्ण ज्वर उदर गर छर्दी प्लीह फलिमकः विद्रदि स्तिमिर काचः स्यन्दः पक्वाशय व्यथा योनि शुक्रा श्रेया रोगाः कोष्ठगा कृमयो गुणाः अथ साधारण काले स्निग्ध स्विन्न यथाविधि श्वोवम उत्कृष्टम कफम मत्स्यमाश तिलादिभिः. So why we are administrating in such condition, that mainly pitta pradhan vyadhis are indicated. As we know, Virechan is based in those diseases like Pandu, Kamla, Halimaga, etc. Then Rakta Pradoshaja vyadhis like Kushta, Visarpa, Rakta Pitta, Liha, Nilika, Vyanga, Vatrakta. As Pitta and Rakta with Ashrashrayi Bhavas, Virechan is based for Rakta Pradoshaja vyadhis. In some diseases like Udvak Rakta Pitta, Chhardi, to reverse the gati of disease, Virechan is advisable. In some condition where elimination of doshas is advisable, like Garavisha, Krimi Koshta, Udavarta, Virechan is advisable. In some condition when there is a excessive vitiation of doshas and also tridosh prakopa is there, then whenever Ubhay Bhaga Shodhana is advisable, like in Mahakushtas, both Vaman and Virechan are advisable, then after Vaman, Virechan is indicated. Another condition when doshas are or roga is situated in Pitta sthana, like Rudroga, it is the sthana of Sadhak Pitta. Jvara is produced from Amashaya, so Pachak Pitta. Kamla, Udbhav from Yakruta, that Ranjak Pitta is there. So to neutralize, to bring doshas, Pitta dosha, Virechan is indicated. So conditions are Jvara, whenever patient is febrile, Pandu, that is anemic, Kamla, jaundice, Halimaka, chlorosis, then Netradaha, watering of eyes and burning sensation in eyes, Ashyadaha, that means Ashya means mukha, whenever burning sensation is mouth, then Paitik vyadhis, all Pitta vyadhis, whenever Vata Pradhan vyadhis like Pakvashay Ruja, pain in abdomen or intestine, Shirashula, whenever Vata Shirashula is there, then Parshvashula, pain in sides of chest, Gulma, then Vatrakta, that is gouty arthritis. Then Kapha Pradhana vyadhis are Prameha, then Netrasrava, watering of eyes, Ashyasrava, excessive salivation in mouth, then Nasasrava, nasal discharge, Shwasa, that means bronchial asthma or any other disorders of lungs or characterized by breathlessness, then Kasa, cough, then Shotha, then Tridosha Vyadhis are Kushtha, Visarpa, then Rudroga, then Rakta Pradhan Vyadhis, they are Pliharog, then some whenever there is a splenic enlargement, then younger pigmented spot on face, then Nilika, bluish pigmentation, then Vispotaka, that is blistering or erosion of skin and mucous membranes, then Manas Vyadhi, they are Unmad and Apasmar, then Stri Roga in Yoni Doshas, then when Shalyakriya Sadhya Vyadhis in Arbuda, that is malignant tumors, Bagandhara, fistula in ano, then Arsha hemorrhoids, Vidradi abscess, Granthi, that is cystic swelling, Galaganda, that is thyroid swelling, then Bradna, inguinal hernia, then Dushtavruna, non-healing chronic wounds, then Vriddhi, scrotal swelling, and Apachi, that is lymphadenitis. Then Salakya they are Timir, blood vision, Abhishanda conjunctivitis, Kacha, cataract, Akshipaka, ophthalmoplegia. Then Annavasrotas Vyadhis, they are Krimi Costa, Garavisha, Visuchika, Alasak, then Udara Roga, then Arochak, that is tastelessness, then Avipaka indigestion, Viband constipation, Anaha, abdominal distension, then Margabhed, as we have seen that whenever requirement of reverse reversing the dosha movement, like in Urdhva Rakta Pitta, Chardi, Udavarta, then other diseases like Reto dosha, that is semen dose disorders like azoospermia, then Mutragata, then Shastra Shata, then Ksharagni Dagda. So in such conditions, Virechana is advisable. So Virechan Ayogyas are Avirecyastu Subhaga Kshatagudha Muktanala Adobhagva Raktapitta Vilangita Durbale Indriya Alpa Agni Niruda Kamadivya Kamadivyagra Ajini Navajvari Madatyai Admat Shalya Ardita Abhihata Atisnigdha Ruksha Daruna Koshtaha क्षतादयश्च गर्भिण्यतः तत्र सुभगस्य सुकुमारोक्त दोषः स्यात् क्षतगुदस्य क्षतेगुदे प्राणोपरोधकरीं रुजा जनयेत् मुक्तनालम् अतिप्रवृत्त्या हन्यात् अधोभागरक्तपित्तिनं तद्वत्. So here it is explained that Subhaga means Sukumara's Vyakti. So in such patient, they can't tolerate the vega or strain of Virechan. Then Kshatagudha, if we administer Virechan in Kshatagudha, then there is a excessive bleeding or sometime pranoparodhakari, that means excessive pain, and sometime patient may be die. Muktanala, in such patient, ati pravrutti may happen. Same in adhograkta pitta, excessive loss of blood or excessive bleeding may occur. Then Vilangita Durbale Indriya Alpa Agni Niruda Ausadam Ausada Vegam No Saheran. So in such patient also they can't tolerate Virechan Vegas or Aushad Veg. Who are they? Vilangita, who has went for Langana, Durbal Vyakti, then Durbal Indriya, then Alpagni, patient who have Alpagni, Niruda, who has taken Nirubasti, then Kamadivya Gramanaso न प्रवर्तते कृच्छ्रेण वा प्रवर्तमान योग दोषात कुर्यात अजीर्णेन आमदोष स्यात् नवज्वरी नो अविपक्वान दोषान न निहते चेत् वातमेव च कोपयेत् मदात्ययितस्य मध्यक्षिणे देहे वायुः प्राणोपरोधं कुर्यात् आत्मातस्याद् मतो वा पुरीशकोष्ठे निचितो वायुर्विसर्पन्न सहसा आनाहं तीव्रतरं मरणं वा जनयेत् शल्या अर्दिताभिहतयोः क्षते वायुराचितो जीवितं हि स्यात् अतिस्निग्धात् स्याद् अतियोगभवं भयं भवेत् वृक्षस्य वायुरङ्गं प्रगहं कुर्यात् दारुणकोष्ठस्य विरेचनो दता दोष हृच्छूल पर्वभेदाना अनाह अंगमर्दर छर्दी मूर्छा क्लमा जयित्वा प्राणान् हन्युः शतादीनां गर्भिण्यन्तानां छर्दनोक्तो दोषः स्यात् तस्मादेते न विरेच्य. So explanation is given in next slide. Here we are just reading shloka. Then in Sushruta Chikitsa 33 chapter मंदाग्न्य अतिस्नेहित बाल वृद्धास्तुलाः शतक्षीणा भयोपतप्ताः श्रान्तस्तृषा तो अपरिजीर्ण भक्तो गर्भिण्यो गच्छति यस्य चाश्रुक नव प्रविश्या यमदाग्न्यै च नवज्वरी या च नवप्रसूता शल्यार्दिश्चाप्य विरेचनीयाः स्नेहादिवीर्यै त्वनुपस्कृताश्च. In Ashtang Hridaya Sutrasthana 18 chapter Vatasram Urdhvam Raktam Vatasram Urdhvagam Raktam Mutragatah Shakrudagrah Ramyascha Kushtamehadya Natu Vechya Navajvari अल्पाग्न्य अधोपित्ताश्च पित्ता स्रक्षत पायवतिसारिणः स शल्या स्थापित क्रूरकोष्ठा अतिस्निग्ध शोणितः. So why we are not advising Virechan karma in such patient? That they are incapable or tolerating the strain or stress of Virechan karma, like in Langita and Dorbalindriya persons. In such condition, which are Ashukari, like Rudroga, Kshatakshina, which may collapse the patient. In such condition where Snehapan is contraindicated, like Samavastha, then Buddha Bhaga, that from the opening from where Virechan Vegas are expelling the vitiated doshas from the body. If such parts like Buddha is or anal region is having kshata or injury, so in such condition also Virechan is not indicated. Some mental conditions like Bhaybhita, Kamadi, Vyagra, at such condition Mithya Yoga may occur. In such physics like Ati Stula, Ati Krisha, weak persons, In such condition also Virechana is not advisable. Then whenever pathologies involving the elimination of doshas through adhomarga like atisara, adhograkta pitta, in such condition also Virechana is contraindicated. So here reasons are given like why Langita, person who is has undergone Langana, Durbala is debilitated, then Dorbalendriya, then Alpagni, then Abhigata person. Such person cannot tolerate the strain. Aushadha Vegam na Saheran. So in such persons, avoid Virechan Karma. Then Upavasita, these persons also who have observed fasting for a considerable long period, so they also cannot tolerate strain. Then Subhaga, that is ulceration in anal region. So Subhagasya Sukumarokta dosha syat. So in such condition, dosas causes bleeding per rectum and pain in pericardial region. Then person who are incapable for tolerate the stress of therapy, they are Shatakshina. So such person who is emaciate, emaciation due to ulceration in the chest, so they can't tolerate strain of Virechana. Then Shranta, who has undergone excessive physical work. So if we administered Virechana in such patient, then that may be lead to Vata Prakopa. Then Pipasita, who is very thirsty. Then Kama, Karma, Bharad, who has done heavy walking or have done very physical excessive work. So in such person also, if we administer Virechan, may lead to Vata Prakopa. Then person who are Vruddha, Bala and Atikrisha, so the person who are older, children and excessive emaciated, they cannot tolerate strain of Virechan Karma. Then Ati Sthula person, Daruna Koshti, who are habitual constipated person. So Virechano Data dosha Ruchula Parva Veda Anaha Angamardas Chardi Murcha Klama Janayitva Pranana Hanyuhu. So if we will administer Virechan in Daruna constipation may lead to ayoga or pericardial pain or joint pain, admana that is distension of abdomen, angamarda body ache or chardi, then kshama neurasthenic patient, then garbhini, pregnant woman. If you will administer Virechan, that then it may be lead to abortion. Then bhakta, who is excessively younger, in such patient we will administer, then that may be lead to digestion of medicine and ayoga may be occur. Then navaprasuta, woman who is in puerperal period, that means just delivered a baby. Then other condition like atisnigdha, overolation. In such patient, atiyoga bhayam bhavet, chances of atiyoga may see. Then atiruksha, excessive dryness in the body. If we will administer Virechan in such patient, then again prakopa and vitiation of vata may occur. Then bhayoktapa, who is suffering from fear. Then chinta prasakta, who is mentally worried. So in such condition also, if we will administer Virechan, that may be chance of ayoga or vata prakopa. Then maithuna prasakta, who is actively involved in sexual behavior. Then Adhyana Prasakta, who is involved in rigorous studies. So these are conditions when patient's mind is very diverted towards his study. So in such patient also Virechana is not advisable. Then Vyayama Prasakta, who is involved in heavy physical exercise, if he will administer, then vitiation and provocation of Vata dosha may occur. Then Shalya Ardita, so provocation of Vata dosha due to Virechan may affect the injury of GI tract and may predispose to fatal complications. Then Kamadi Vyagra, so person who are active in sexual behavior, in such patients न प्रवर्तते कृच्छेन वा प्रवर्तते प्रवर्तमानम अयोग दोषा न कुर्यात्. So ayoga, there may be chances of ayoga of Virechana. Then Niruddha, who has taken Nirubasti, so they cannot tolerate strain of Virechan Dravyas. Then Samavastha, Navapratisha, acute rhinitis, then Navajvara. So in such condition, Avipakvana doshana na nirhate vatameva cha kopayet. So because doshas are unripened state, they are new. So in such conditions, Saman Chikitsa is advisable. If we are administrating Virechan, there may be chance of Atiyoga or other complications. Then Guda Marga Rogas, whenever Kshatak Guda, that is injury to anal region, at that condition, Shate Gude Pranoparodhakarim Rujam Janayet gives rise to severe pain in anal region. Then Muktanalam Ati Pravutya Nyata. There is chances of Ati Pravutya of doshas in Muktanala. And other vyadis like Madatya, who is alcoholic. In such patients, Madakshines Se Vayuhu Pranoparodham Kuryat. So in such patients, because of excessive alcoholic addicted to alcohol, their body is weakened. If we administer Virechan in such patient, there is a provocation of Vata dosha. Then Admana, that is distension of abdomen. In such patient, Adamato va Purisha Koste Nichito Vayu Visarpana Sahasa Anaham Tivra Taram Maranam va Janayet. So may further cause aggravation of disease like Anaha and also may lead to mrityu. Then Adhograkta Pitta, if we administered, as already doshas are in Adho Gati, if we administer Virechan in same, then also increase the bleeding from rectal route and loss of excessive normal doshas also in such condition that may worse the condition. Atisara, diarrhea. Thank you. From on next class, we will see Virechan Purva Karma.